Hi guys, I'm Jake, and I'm going to show you how easy it is to buy Bitcoin in 2022. If you're like me and you're curious about which exchange to use, of course, it's very important that you feel confident and comfortable with the exchange that you're using. So the one we're going to look at today is eToro, and this is personally one of my favorites simply because the amount of altcoins that they actually offer on their exchange. There's a lot of diversity and versatility with the exchange, and it's very, very user friendly. We can see eToro just here. It's ASIC, SciSec and FCA accredited, which gives you as an investor lots of confidence with the money that you are putting over onto the exchange. And they have 134 different projects that we can choose from, which is very, very important. Looking at this comparison, there are a lot of other exchanges, and the eToro one is actually the leading one right here. So this is why we're going to use it. And personally, I think it's really easy just to set up, get that money deposited through various different methods, and you can get going straight off the bat in 5 minutes from now. Yes, right now, you can be literally holding your Bitcoin. So all you need to do is go to eToro.com, create an account, and you're going to click your username, email, password, and once you've done that, you'll just simply go and verify that in your email account. Once you've gone through, it's going to take you through to the main eToro website. Once you get there, you're just going to fill in a bit of profile information about yourself, what type of investor you are, how much money you're maybe looking to deposit, how you're looking to pay. It's just going to ask some very, very brief, personal, intricate questions about yourself so it can help set up an optimal account for you and understand and learn more about your particular or most likely behaviors. So what we can see here on the eToro website is really, really clean. I am on just a virtual account right here for educational purposes, but at the top here we've got some different stocks and commodities just sort of scrolling along. We can see the portfolio value right here, just very, very easy to see. And down below, one thing I really like is actually the news feed. You can see what's going on in the market. You get some nice insights from influencers and other market leaders. So it's nice to have that bit of information and feel like you're connected to a community at the same time. So what we're going to do to buy Bitcoin, it's super, super easy. All you need to do is search at the top for the particular cryptocurrency you want. So we're just going to punch in Bitcoin over here, and we can see Bitcoin. We can trade it. You can learn a little bit about, the followers, the historical price data, where to access Bitcoin, what's going on. It will tell you about Bitcoin in the show more section right here. We've also got some statistics of the current movement of the price activity. We can see the supply, the market capitalization, all of the details that you need to know in order to help optimize an entry into the market. We've got the chart as well. So we've got a nice little chart pattern. We can see, again, we're looking relatively undervalued, but of course, this is all irrelevant. Right now, we're looking at how to buy Bitcoin. So like I say, you're going to go over to that feed section just here and click on the trade button. And once you get this, you're going to get the current market value of Bitcoin pop up. It's going to change as the order value is changing. So the great thing is, of course, being a Bitcoin exchange, there's no kind of arbitrary random opening times. It's 24-hour. You can buy around the globe, around the clock, whenever you wish. So we're going to use the trade option right here, and we're just going to throw in $7,500. We can see we're going to get 0.19 Bitcoin with a 7.5% equity exposure of $7,500. We're going to click open on the trade, and there we go. The order has been filled just like that, super autonomous, super quickly. If we click into the portfolio, we can now see our average open price. We can see the exact transaction. We can see our profit and loss is down 150 because of the spread that we have when it comes in with fees. It's not a percentage, it's an actual particular buy and sell spread. And there it is. That simple. So that's how easily you can get your hands on Bitcoin in 2022. You've just got to make the account, put through your information, connect your payment option, which for me is probably going to be my bank card. And how easy it is to do that is down on the left here. You have the deposit funds option, and you've got all these different kind of options that you can particularly use. You could even use PayPal or another e-commerce like that. But for me, it's going to be the best one is the faster payments on the bank side of things. You can deposit straight in. So this is what I'm doing. This is how I get my cryptocurrency. Extremely easy to do. I hope this video did help you guys if you are looking to buy crypto. And yeah, stick around, thumbs up, comment down below, subscribe to the channel if you like this kind of thing. See you soon, guys.